Hi guys, let's have a healthy start of 2020. This is a new series that we'll be doing. We're starting it off with some healthy smoothies that you can have any time of the day, especially in the morning. Blueberries are considered one of the best forms of antioxidants that you could have. Apparently, making one simple change in your diet by adding blueberries could have a significant impact on your cardiovascular health, cancer prevention, and brain power. Alright, so let's go ahead and see how we make this smoothie that will help you in your daily lives. Now, first of all, we've got the blueberries itself, and then we have got the flax seeds. Basically, flax seeds are plant-based food that provides healthy fat, antioxidants, and fiber. And some people call it functional food. Then we've got some black cherry yogurt for some protein in the smoothie. And then we have got the Manuka honey, and you all know that Manuka honey is 100% pure honey. Manuka honey has antibacterial properties that are set apart from traditional honey. Now in here you can either add water or some milk just to get the consistency right. And now here the smoothie is ready. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I hope you actually subscribe. Stay with me with this journey of having a healthy life for myself and you guys, for you to enjoy. Thank you. Take care.